everyone, welcome to my channel. Menopause isn't for pussies. Okay, so today I'm just going to do a quick little product review here. As many of you may know, I actually did a product review on a product called the e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. I did this a couple of months ago. I loved it. I actually bought the 25 light neutral. As you can see, I'm holding it back because I don't have my glasses on. But anyway, this is a great product. I love it for many, many reasons. For number one, it's non-drying. My skin at 59 years of age is super, super dry. So I moisturize the heck out of it prior to putting any foundation on. And I also use a Maybelline primer as well. I'll put the links below for everything in this video today. And it's also mentioned in my book as well. And I'll put the link below for that. But so this is a great product. It lasts all day. No need for touch-ups. It's non-drying, and it's like $8 to $10. So this for me is an absolute 10. It's a 10. But I've been hearing a lot of buzz about another foundation. So of course I had to try it. And I have to say it didn't disappoint. It's pretty great. And it's called the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect. And I think, hold on guys, sorry. Natural number 2. Sorry, I really should do these videos with my glasses. This one is approximately $16 to $18 at Walmart or your local drugstore, and it is flawless, non-drying. I don't know. I feel like I might even like it just slightly more than the Soft Glow. I don't know. I don't really want to pick one or the other because they're both really great. So $18, $10. Ladies, give them a try. They're so worth it for mature skin. I hope that you found this information valuable. I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments below. Don't forget, I'll put the product links below as well. And that's it. Until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your skin, and remember, menopause isn't for pussies.